In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your game activity show on Discord. This is really helpful if you want your friends to see what you're playing in real time, or if you just like your profile to look a bit more personalized and active. We'll walk through the exact settings you need to turn on inside Discord, and I'll give you a few tips along the way to make sure everything works smoothly. First, open the Discord app on your computer. Game activity currently works best and most reliably on the desktop version. So make sure you're not just using the mobile app. Once Discord is open, look to the bottom left corner of your screen, where you'll see your username and avatar. Right next to that, there's a small gear icon. Click that gear icon to open your user settings. Inside user settings, you'll see a list of categories on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find the section related to activity or game detection. Depending on your version of Discord, this might be called Activity Status or Registered Games. Go ahead and click on that option. On this page, you'll see a toggle that controls whether Discord can display your current activity. Make sure the option that says something like, Display current activity as a status message is turned on. When this is enabled, Discord will automatically show the name of the game you're playing under your username, as long as the game is recognized. If you don't see your game appearing automatically, don't worry. Many games are detected, but not every single one. In that same activity section, look for a button that lets you add a game manually. With your game already running in the background, click that button. Then select your game from the list of open applications. Once you've added it, you should see it appear in the list of activities, and the status should change to show that it's currently running. You can also choose which activities you want visible. If there are apps you'd prefer not to display, you can remove or disable them from this list. This is especially helpful if you use a lot of different programs and only want your actual games to show up. Finally, make sure you don't have Discord set to invisible, because that can sometimes cause confusion when checking your status. Once everything is set, launch your game and look at your profile. You should now see your game activity showing on Discord for everyone you share your status with.